Kinesis is 30 years old. It's been my passion for 30 years. It's going to continue to be my passion going forward. And at this point, all of us, we're thrilled to be associated with the opportunity to work with Bert and Mountain River PT. Just how similar our practices were with basic building foundations with ASTIM and great Cook's work on SFMA, selective functional movement assessment, and functional movement screening, and then most recently with dry needling, very close parallels in our practices. One of the things that I think makes us different, and I felt the same way in talking to Bert and the folks from Mountain River, is that this feeling of family, which is strong within our clinic, and we're able to transcend that or transfer that feeling to the patients. That's what makes us different. I always tell my patients, when on discharge, you always know where to find us. We're going to be here. Office is always going to be in this location. Phone number's the same. Website's the same. You know where to find us. We'll be here for you. The thing that's most exciting for me is right now I can say without any doubt in my mind, we are the greatest Mountain River physical therapy clinic west of the Mississippi River.